初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'm finally home.
I'm finally home.
我终于到家了。
I'm finally home.
I'm finally home.
Today was really exhausting.
Today was really exhausting.
今天真的很累人。
Today was really exhausting.
Today was really exhausting.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
我需要洗个澡。
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
Where's my clean towel?
Where's my clean towel?
我的干净毛巾在哪里？
Where's my clean towel?
Where's my clean towel?
The water feels so nice.
The water feels so nice.
水感觉真舒服。
The water feels so nice.
The water feels so nice.
I feel much better now.
I feel much better now.
我现在感觉好多了。
I feel much better now.
I feel much better now.
Time to change into pajamas.
Time to change into pajamas.
该换上睡衣了。
Time to change into pajamas.
Time to change into pajamas.
I want something comfortable.
I want something comfortable.
我想要点舒适的东西。
I want something comfortable.
I want something comfortable.
Let's order some dinner.
Let's order some dinner.
我们点些晚餐吧。
Let's order some dinner.
Let's order some dinner.
I don't feel like cooking.
I don't feel like cooking.
我不想做饭。
I don't feel like cooking.
I don't feel like cooking.
What should I eat tonight?
What should I eat tonight?
今晚我该吃什么？
What should I eat tonight?
What should I eat tonight?
Maybe some noodles or pizza.
Maybe some noodles or pizza.
也许吃点面条或披萨。
Maybe some noodles or pizza.
Maybe some noodles or pizza.
I'll just heat up leftovers.
I'll just heat up leftovers.
我就热一下剩菜吧。
I'll just heat up leftovers.
I'll just heat up leftovers.
Let's turn on the TV.
Let's turn on the TV.
我们打开电视吧。
Let's turn on the TV.
Let's turn on the TV.
What's on tonight's show?
What's on tonight's show?
今晚的节目是什么？
What's on tonight's show?
What's on tonight's show?
This movie looks interesting.
This movie looks interesting.
这部电影看起来很有趣。
This movie looks interesting.
This movie looks interesting.
I've seen this one before.
I've seen this one before.
我以前看过这个。
I've seen this one before.
I've seen this one before.
I'll just watch something funny.
I'll just watch something funny.
我就看点搞笑的东西吧。
I'll just watch something funny.
I'll just watch something funny.
Let's light a candle tonight.
Let's light a candle tonight.
今晚我们点支蜡烛吧。
Let's light a candle tonight.
Let's light a candle tonight.
The scent makes me feel calm.
The scent makes me feel calm.
这香味让我感到平静。
The scent makes me feel calm.
The scent makes me feel calm.
I should check my messages.
I should check my messages.
我应该查看我的消息。
I should check my messages.
I should check my messages.
My phone battery is low again.
My phone battery is low again.
我的手机电池又没电了。
My phone battery is low again.
My phone battery is low again.
I'll charge it before bed.
I'll charge it before bed.
我会在睡前充电。
I'll charge it before bed.
I'll charge it before bed.
Let's scroll through social media.
Let's scroll through social media.
我们刷刷社交媒体吧。
Let's scroll through social media.
Let's scroll through social media.
Everyone seems so busy lately.
Everyone seems so busy lately.
最近大家似乎都很忙。
Everyone seems so busy lately.
Everyone seems so busy lately.
I need to reply to some texts.
I need to reply to some texts.
我需要回复一些短信。
I need to reply to some texts.
I need to reply to some texts.
I'll call my parents tomorrow.
I'll call my parents tomorrow.
我明天会给我父母打电话。
I'll call my parents tomorrow.
I'll call my parents tomorrow.
I forgot to water the plants.
I forgot to water the plants.
我忘了给植物浇水。
I forgot to water the plants.
I forgot to water the plants.
They look a little dry.
They look a little dry.
它们看起来有点干。
They look a little dry.
They look a little dry.
Let's tidy up the living room.
Let's tidy up the living room.
我们整理一下客厅吧。
Let's tidy up the living room.
Let's tidy up the living room.
I'll fold the clothes later.
I'll fold the clothes later.
我稍后会叠衣服。
I'll fold the clothes later.
I'll fold the clothes later.
I should wash the dishes first.
I should wash the dishes first.
我应该先洗碗。
I should wash the dishes first.
I should wash the dishes first.
Time for a cup of tea.
Time for a cup of tea.
该喝杯茶了。
Time for a cup of tea.
Time for a cup of tea.
The house feels so peaceful.
The house feels so peaceful.
房子感觉如此宁静。
The house feels so peaceful.
The house feels so peaceful.
I'll listen to some music.
I'll listen to some music.
我会听点音乐。
I'll listen to some music.
I'll listen to some music.
My favorite playlist is perfect now.
My favorite playlist is perfect now.
我最喜欢的播放列表现在正合适。
My favorite playlist is perfect now.
My favorite playlist is perfect now.
I'm getting a bit sleepy.
I'm getting a bit sleepy.
我有点困了。
I'm getting a bit sleepy.
I'm getting a bit sleepy.
I should go to bed soon.
I should go to bed soon.
我应该马上去睡觉。
I should go to bed soon.
I should go to bed soon.
Today was busy but nice.
Today was busy but nice.
今天很忙，但很好。
Today was busy but nice.
Today was busy but nice.
Good night, world. See you tomorrow.
Good night, world. See you tomorrow.
晚安，世界，明天见。
Good night, world. See you tomorrow.
Good night, world. See you tomorrow.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。